Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Discord permanently fix black screen in Windows 10. Right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Select Discord, click End Task. Right-click Discord shortcut, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows Vista Service Pack 2. Click Apply, OK. Right-click Discord shortcut, click Open File Location. Open App Version Number folder. Right-click discord.exe, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 8. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.